Hey, it's Joel with PPS House Buyers, and we buy houses, but not only that, we're here to provide you with home buying solutions. Don't take my word for it. Hear what previous sellers have to say about us.
Once he contacted me and came over, I was committed to them because it was a fantastic experience.
Had they not come to help me, I know for sure that I would still be there.
Everything was done very professional, grading on a scale A to F. He would have to get an A+.
So, if you're ready to take the next step and see what we can do for you, fill out the information down below or give us a call. We hope to hear from you soon.